Bird flu's impact on egg prices is easing, say California officials. California reports a slowdown in bird flu spread, offering a glimmer of hope for egg prices. Egg prices soared nationwide, becoming a significant political topic amid the bird flu crisis. President Donald Trump highlighted the skyrocketing egg prices as a pressing national concern. California's improved situation might stabilize the market, reducing egg-related political tensions. Stay updated with our channel for the latest news.